So hello guys. So upon checking the comment section on my video about the Android video out solution, so there's a lot of comments and there's a lot of questions about the setup on how to stream using the WAVLINK adapter on an Android phone that doesn't have a USB 3.1 or the MHL support. So let's start. First, we need this one, the WAVLINK adapter. So any kind of adapter will work as long as it is Displaylink certified. Then the next one is the HD60 Game Live. So this one is a game capture card. So I already replaced my cheap game capture card. This one's $5. This one's around $20 to $30, I guess. I forget the exact price, but it's around 2,500 pesos. And this one's around 300 pesos only. So I prefer this one actually rather than this one. So this one overheats or it heats up after a while this one is not. And it supports 1080p with 60 frames per second. But I doubt that since the quality is not so good. If you have the Elgato option, so I suggest you get that one. And the next requirement will be our HDMI cord or HDMI cable, so that our WAVLINK can connect to our game capture cards. And lastly, we need an OTG cable. So sadly, I lost my OTG cable since I bought a USB hub, so Vention USB hub to be exact. So this one. So I prefer this hub since it has an external power support with a USB 2.0 external power support and 4 USB 3.0 port. So it will help the battery drain from the Android phone since it will supply the power to this adapter. Then if you already have these items, we're gonna go to the optional items. If you want a better quality, you should get this one. The first one will be our audio splitter. So this one is around $1 only, $1 to $2. So this one's very cheap. So what is the purpose of this one? This one will be used to split the audio output from the WAVLINK adapter. So this aux cable will connect to this port, the audio port of the WAVLINK. Then this one to this chip splitter. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports available. So the first port will go to the game capture card, of course, on the mic port. Then the second one will go to your earphone if you want dual output. One is for recording and one is for monitoring. So I prefer this one since it has a real-time and good audio quality. It's like inserting your earphone directly into the cell phone. Next one, so if you're gonna use this one, of course you need the cable, the aux cable. So what is the purpose of this cable? So this cable will connect from this one into your game capture card to the mic port, so that the audio will be recorded also directly from this game capture card to that port. That's it. You already have internal recording. Then additional item, optional, is this one. So this one is to eliminate the ground loop issue. So there's a ground loop issue when you are using this setup. Since you are supplying the current or the voltage or whatever it is called from the laptop to the WAVLINK to the game capture card, then to the phone, then back to the game capture card because of this one. So just buy this one, it will improve your audio quality by a notch. You can get this one around $5 only, sometimes $3, $4, so around 250 pesos on Lazada or Shopee. So how are we going to connect these items to stream? So we're gonna move this aside for now. So first one is the WAVLINK adapter. Connect your HDMI cable to the WAVLINK. So when it's connected, this one will go to the game capture card. Into your game capture card. So I'm gonna use the HD60. But if you have this one, so you can use this one, but I prefer this one. If you had an Elgato, as I said earlier, use that, since Elgato is so much better. So we're gonna connect this one to the input port. Short discussion about this. So the HD60 supports in and out function. In, then out, pass through. If you want to connect to another display or to a TV, so you can do that. So we're not gonna use this one on our stream setup now. Gonna connect it. And now it's all connected. So we need to connect this one to our computer. So HD60 comes with a USB 3.0 cable with a USB 3.0 to USB adapter. So we don't need to use this one. I'm just gonna connect it directly into the USB port and into my laptop. So I'm gonna set aside that. Next, so how about this one? So this one will be connected into our phone. So it's already a USB Type-C. So I'm gonna connect the WAVLINK into this one. Yeah. So before we connect this USB hub into our phone, make sure to connect the power supply first. Just a regular micro USB cable will do. So I got this one. So a Vention also, since I prefer Vention and Ugreen. So connect it to this port. Then we're gonna look for a socket or a power bank also. I'm gonna use the stock charger of my Xiaomi Mi 10T. So I'm gonna connect this one. I'm gonna plug it into my outlet. So it should light up. And there should be some light. Next, we need to connect the cable, this one, into our phone. So 02. So let's see what will happen. Did you see that? It automatically detects the WAVLINK and the WAVLINK starts blinking. Bonus tip, if you're experiencing some hang issues where the images stop after 5 to 10 minutes, so just open the Displaylink Presenter app, Displaylink Presenter, and lock it into your recent. So how we're gonna do that? So just open the Displaylink Presenter, open your recent, long click, then click the lock icon. Another one, you can do this one also. So search for Displaylink Presenter, application info. For the battery saver, put it into non-restriction so that your phone won't kill it during the stream, of course. Now it's time to open the OBS Studio. And so now I'm gonna flash my laptop screen. I'm gonna create a new scene. So scene 2. First, we need to add the source. Add source, video capture device, create new. Then we need to select our EasyCap or your game capture card. So I'm gonna open my phone so that there will be some output. So if there's still no output, there's one solution also by connecting and disconnecting the WAVLINK. So let's disconnect it first. And cancel it. So 1, 2, and connect. EasyCap, and that's it. We have an output already. So we're gonna play some video so that it won't shut down. We're gonna play that one. Then for the resolution, we can use the custom. And let's select our resolution to us 1080. So we're gonna search for that 1920 by 1080. Then video format, and select that too. FPS 60. Then okay. So there's a capture already. Next ones, we need to add the audio source. So to do that, we're gonna click the sources again. So right click, add audio input capture. We're gonna use the EasyCap, digital audio interface of the EasyCap. So that is my game capture card. And click OK. As you can see, there's already an audio input capture. So to monitor that, I'm gonna do the properties. So we're gonna save this first. So the audio input capture, we're gonna go to the advanced audio properties. We're gonna monitor that if we want to monitor it. So for this demo, we're gonna monitor it. Then close. Check my earphone to speakers. And there have it. We have an audio already. And now we have the desktop audio and the audio input capture here playing. Yeah. Next, what about if we want to record the internal sound plus we're gonna use the headset? So we need some adapter. This one, we're gonna use this one. So first, we're gonna insert it into the audio port. So as you can see, upon inserting the cable from the audio port, the audio input capture is gone. Next, we're gonna use this one, the noise loop remover or noise loop isolation or ground loop remover. I'm gonna connect this one into our game capture card. Next, so this aux cable will be used. I'm gonna connect this aux cable, this one, in our ground loop. Then this one will be connected into this one. That's it. You already have an audio again. So let's stop monitoring it. So monitor up. So stop monitoring the audio. Now, if you had an earphone, just connect it into this port. Now you will have an audio in your headphone or earphone and into your internal recording. So in my case, I have the HYPERX headphone. So I could use this port directly from this one. So there's an audio in here. And let's put it in the speaker. Next, what about the mic? So a lot of you guys asking, there's no in-game mic. So to fix that, so the HYPERX already include the splitter cable. So for one for the audio port and one for the mic port. So first we're gonna connect the mic cable or whatever it is, the mic jack into the mic port of the WAVLINK. Next, we're gonna connect the audio into this one. Then we are gonna connect this one into this one. So there's an audio and there's a mic input already. So this will act as a USB audio adapter also, aside from the video adapter. So now we have the audio input captured. So let's try to do some recording. I'm gonna start the record. So that, and start recording.
And when I start to think, oh, the tunnel closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity?